สวัสดีค่ะ
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Still in Hua Hin, checking out the sights, doing a few street walks. Hopefully you enjoy. We'll just head down, heading through the road where the beach is. Wake up! Not sure the name of the street, but it's the one right next to the beach, so all the restaurants and stuff on it. Pretty nice area. A little bit of a traffic jam going on up here. Oh, what's going on here? Traffic jam. You're gonna get through there. Oh, it's like Burke Street through there. Nice looking joint that. The beer house, Hua Hin. Cool swing there. Coming up to the Binta Bar, we'll go down and have a look. One more look. Shout out to Magic Man too, that dude was a legend. Passed away about 6 months ago, or a year ago, whenever it was. He used to do magic tricks for everyone all the time. Looks a bit quiet. Around. Just do a quick walk through here, get it over with before I get into too much trouble from all the girls. They'll probably yell at me for filming. Sweaty cup. Sweaty cup. Hello. Hello. How are you today?
Where you from?
I got home. Thank you anyway. Oh my God. Dragonfly restaurant bar. This little kid was trying to sell me roses last night. That's it, lady bar. Cat bar and garden. Sweaty cup. Sweaty cup. Hello, Sweaty cup. It's a bit quiet. Not many people around. There's a few people down here, but it's still pretty quiet. Sweaty cup. What's the name of this fucking takeaway joint, mate? The 7-Eleven called Suck Mart. That's so funny. Sweaty cup. Sweaty cup. Hello, Sweaty cup. Sweaty cup, Sweaty cup, Sweaty cup. Hello, Sweaty cup. Hello, Sweaty cup. Hello, Sweaty cup. Oh my God, that was hard work. Hello, Sweaty cup. Hello. All right, that was hard work. Where are we going now? Oh, that's the back of the Anshan. I don't know what's going on here. I'll go back now. I might go this way, I think, actually. No, we won't. We'll go this way. This is the way we were coming, weren't we? Originally. All right. I'll... Jesus. That's close. Oh. Swaddy Cup. All right. All these alleyways. I think we walked down there last time. We'll keep going straight for a bit. See what's around. Hello, Swaddy Cup. I'll talk over the copyrighted music. Oh, cars coming through. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Monday. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Hello, Swaddy Cup. No, thank you. Swaddy Cup. Oh, there's massage joints everywhere around here. Alright, I'll go right, I think. Which way do we go? Yeah, we might go this way, I think. Swaddy Cup.
Здесь закрыто, если нельзя, давай я тебя заведу, дай мне трешку. Кристина, не придет?
I'm just coming to this fork here. Not sure where this takes us. Chinese temple, okay. Alright guys. Gotha, this looks new. I think this is new. I think Johnny something happened, did a little review on this place a couple of months ago and said it was a new joint and was opening up. Looks pretty posh. Looks nice. Okay. Overboard. What's that? Clothing, is it? Yeah, looks like it. Suits. No, thank you. All right. Well, there's not much happening here either. Down there, not much down there, I don't think. We came up through there before, actually. Oh, silk Thai massage. Yeah, that's got a few people in it. Looking very busy. So many of them though, so many massage places, man. I don't know how they stay in business, to be honest. It's insane. The streets of Hua Hin. It's very nice, I must say, I do like it. Nice and relaxing. Good atmosphere, good vibe. People are friendly. Cheap as well, my God. You get Leos for 60 baht everywhere. Small size, I think, and 80 or 90 for a large. Way cheaper than bloody Phuket and all the other places, that's for sure. Anyway. Alright guys, I might leave it here. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment if you liked it. Even if you didn't like it, leave a comment. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.